Welcome back to That Data Guy with Tripathi Aditya Prakash. And in today's episode is all about knowing your worth and not falling into this trap of overwhelming overworking when the companies needs you more than you need them. So this is Aditya and hello guys. And today we are going to discuss something very important that everyone goes through in their career, that is about being so indulged into work that you forget your worth and forget setting your boundaries when it comes to your workplace. So let's face it, everyone has faced it. Data professions are high in demand, and in this fast paced world and data driven world, companies are constantly seeking skilled individual, and it keeps getting competitive. But with demand comes a huge problem, that is of overwork. So when you are valuable to a company, it can lead to you being pushed to give more and more of your time and energy other than the designated time that is there, and anything more is unhealthy or the you know unreasonable. So you'll have to set a boundary for that. So here's the thing about it, you need to recognize when the company needs you more than you need them. So overworking might lead to necessity, and if it is a fast paced working startup or a demanding corporate culture whichever you works in, it's important that you know your boundaries, and you have to understand that you are not burning yourself out. You are working within a certain range, because I've seen it happen, and I won't say other things because I don't want to mention anything. So I have seen it happen, that I will say, people pushing themselves to the blink where they are not even understanding their worth. They are just trying to prove it, and they are just afraid that they'll lose their position, or it's a sliding slope. Okay, so they'll be working. Okay, I have set this expectation, I'll have to fulfill it, otherwise they'll replace me. So you start over delivering regularly on a regular basis. So company will start expecting more, right? If you will keep on increasing your delivery level, it will keep on increasing their expectation, and that will become your new standard. So company will start expecting that level of effort from you all the time, and eventually it will stretch you out too thin, and your productive will be dipping, because this new high that you have created for one time will be your new standard now. And at more worse, your health and well-being will take a hit, because all the time you'll be dedicating to them only. So I want to share a personal experience there. So I worked in my career, I have worked as in startup when I have been constantly working or overworking myself. So it becomes it taking on extra things, just pushing yourself, doing beyond your needs and beyond your criteria. You will create unrealistic deadlines, so you'll have to recognize that, and you have to realize when your personal life becomes a suffering, and you'll start getting burned out. So it will take a while, but you will learn how to draw a line. So set clear boundaries, prioritize your work and yourself, and then communicate openly. Okay, this is being way too much. Like, tell that this is beyond my time, like that. And remember, your value isn't about just the hours that you put in; it's the quality of work, your ideas that you give out, and the unique skills that you have that you bring to the table. So this overworking doesn't mean you will make you a better employee; it will just make you exhausted one. So yeah. So there is one more aspect that you need to consider, that is leverage. When you are highly skilled, specifically in a field like data science and analytics, you have a leverage. Okay, you have to understand that companies need that. And if you recognize that thing, you realize that you don't need to sacrifice your well-being for a job. There will always be more opportunities for people who are good at what they do. So don't just be so self-contained into this thing that if I lose this thing, then I won't be everywhere. So in the conclusion of this, I'll say, don't let overwork define your value. Work hard, yes, but work smartly. Set your boundaries, know your worth, and don't be afraid to step back when you feel the pressure to overextend yourself. The right company will value your contribution, not just for how many hours you put in, but all the skills that you bring to the table. So with that being said, thank you for turning into this episode, and hope this conversation help you reflect your work life balance, and remember that your well being is just as important as your career growth. So stay smart, stay hydrated, stay balanced, and keep pushing your data journey. So you were listening to That Data Guy with Tripathi Aditya Prakash. So make sure to subscribe, follow us, and tune in for more valuable insights into the world of data and corporate life. So until next time, stay balanced and take care of yourself. That's the only thing that matter.